god. So I'm vlogging today. I just got back from Europe 2 days ago, and I'm going to get my hair done after, like, probably put in the address to see where I'm going after however many months it's been. My appointment is for 10. It's 10:05. I set my alarm to wake up at 8:30. I did, and then I fell back asleep, and I woke up at 10. So I've just quickly like put some clothes on. I don't have any makeup on. Maybe I can try put a little bit of something in the car. I hate being late. I'm like never late. Like I couldn't sleep too well last night. I woke up at like 4 and I just couldn't get back to sleep for so long. So obviously I'm just like super tired or something. So annoyed, I hate being late. It's just so rude. I just pride myself on not being late, and here I am being late. Anyway, some information about my hair. So the place I go to is called the Hiya Collective. They are amazing. I love them so much. I get my hair done by Katarina. They are just like pros. Mia does like the best bobs I've like ever seen. So if you're in need of a bob, go to her. Katarina is like a blonde expert. I want to be more excitable because like I love getting my hair done so much, but I mean I literally just woke up. So with my hair, obviously I haven't had it cut in 3 months, so it feels disgusting at the end. It's just super dry and gross, so I'm getting all of that grossness chopped off. And then if you've been watching my Milan vlogs, you would know that for the cruise job I had to get my hair dyed so it would match the chick that I was being the body double for. So they had to dye it, and the way that the chick, like I don't mind how light it is, like I like how blonde it is, but the way that they dyed it I'm just not the biggest fan of, because she just did freehand highlights and it just looks a little bit stripy, whereas the way that Katarina does it is she does more like tiny little foils, so it like blends really nicely into my natural hair color. So I'm going to get her to fix that a little bit, just to make it look a little bit more, what happened to my voice there? Just so that it looks a little bit more nice and natural. Right now. I think I just have my hair like this all the time. It's the new trend. I'm starting it. It's so nice when it's like off your forehead. Like no, the washing is the best. It is. It's my favorite. Warm water and then like a little like massage. The best part. So I'm done getting my hair done. I am so happy with it. Like the ends were just so scraggly and it just feels so fresh. She took out a lot of the weight out of my hair because my hair gets really like thick and gross like when I don't cut it. And obviously cut my fringe a little bit shorter. And then we also, because I didn't really get this on camera, we also, because the back of my head was really dark because of how they colored it, so she's kind of like evened that out. And there's still a little bit of like banding where the color that I got done in Milan and my natural color is, so she said it'll take a couple times to make it like super seamless, but I mean like this looks pretty good to me. So thank you so much as always to Kat and Mia, of course, and the whole Hiya Collective team. I'm obsessed with my hair as always, and I cannot rave enough about them. They are just literally the best. They do brunettes, they do blondes, they do bobs, they do long. They're just the best at everything. So if you need your hair done in Brisbane, go to them. They're amazing. Anyway, so now I look fresh and beautiful. I'm going to actually go and buy a new iPad because I really want the new iPad because it has the Apple Pencil support, and I want to, one, use it for uni so that I can like mark up documents on my iPad digitally, because I do a lot of printing and I kind of don't want to do that if I don't have to. And also I want to teach myself how to kind of like do graphic drawing like on the iPad. So that's the plan. Going to go get a new iPad and Apple Pencil. So I'm gonna go pick up Chris and then we're going to go there. Peace. He's in the water. Oh my god. Look at him.
Filming in case you fall in.
Hey everyone, so I'm not in my house today. I'm at someone else's house shooting just for some Instagram content. This place is called the Vacay Co, and they reached out and wanted to see if I wanted to shoot here, and I was like, yes, because the place is like beautiful. We're basically done now. We just shot a whole heap of stuff, some inflatables, some bikinis, and then just some other stuff, so I have some content to post because I like to have like a backlog of stuff just in case I don't have time to take like fresh photos. So that's what I do, and this is the place. We filmed a little bit of the surrounds, but I'm just gonna take you on a little tour. First up, there's this really cute dog here. I mean, look. I don't know if it's he or she, but it's really cute. This is the pool area, and then you come down here through this little door, and there's like a dining table, a really cute kitchen. Christopher is dead. No! And there's a fire pit, which is really sick. That would be really fun in winter, although it doesn't really get too cold here. There is a ladder up to a bookcase, TV, these amazing stairs, which I want in my house. And this is the bedroom. It's very messy. We've made a massive mess, but how amazing is this? I'm obsessed. There's like a little walk-in wardrobe. Hey, little clothes rack. And then the bathroom. Amazing shower. The lighting in here is so good. It doesn't really work on my phone, but on the camera the lighting here is like freaking amazing. And they have robes. How freaking cute is that? I'm so obsessed with this place. If you're looking for, I'm pretty sure they have it on Airbnb. I don't know, I'll find some info and let you know. But if you're looking for a place to stay at the Sunshine Coast, would highly recommend. Anyway, we're done now. I just shot like in my activewear with some fruit, but in reality, we're going to go and get fish and chips. So we're gonna go and do that now.